Hey guys, welcome back. So I ordered a CCTV camera. It costed me around 2,300 rupees. Now it is only 2,000. I got for 2299. Okay guys, why did I purchase this? So this works with Wi-Fi. I don't have to connect anything external. It comes with a 6 months warranty. I bought an extended warranty also. See, it comes with 6 months brand warranty. So it works with your Wi-Fi and you can have motion detection and all. And why I went with this is waterproof. The reason I went with this is an outdoor camera and it is waterproof. So if you guys can see, there is a camera there already. That is an indoor camera. I want to put one camera there because if we park any car there, I want it to be recorded. That one spot is missing, so I bought this on Amazon. Let's open this. That's it in the box. Wi-Fi spotlight camera, easy installation, some guides. See, IP66 waterproof rating, day and night vision. I just need one power socket, DC 12 volts. I can connect it with my house existing Wi-Fi. So let's see what's inside the box. There's a fast installation manual and a QA pass certificate. I have few screws here, some caps for this Ethernet cable. If I'm not using Ethernet, I can just close the cap with this. Even if I'm using, that's a protection for it. What is this? This is a reset button. Yeah, a reset button for the camera. And this is the power volt, 12 volts power socket. So basically, if I have a power socket, this goes into the socket and this is the power supply. That is the only thing required, and this is the main camera. Power socket, reset button and an Ethernet port if we don't have Wi-Fi. Because if we have Wi-Fi, this antennas will do the work. This is pretty dusty actually out of the box itself. You can see it's all dusty. So this is the main camera, and these are our 4 LED lights and our IR sensors. It is a good quality plastic, guys. It's not metal for sure, it is high grade plastic. It feels solid for sure. These are the Wi-Fi antennas. Okay, one moves front and back. Okay, you can change the direction like this. Let's see the angle of installation. So if I turn this knob, I can install it on the top like this. Once you have your angle which you want, you can just lock this. So basically this is your top and bottom play with this knob. I'll lock this up and let's see what this does. If I turn this, I can do a left and right adjustment of the camera. So left and right. This has to be done manually after the installation is done. So once you install it, you can decide which side you want and which angle you want. It has a speaker here and you can put a micro SD card here. It supports up to 125 GB, supports up to 125 GB of micro SD card. I did order that also. This on Amazon, SanDisk 125 GB micro SD card. This MRP is 1800 rupees. I got it for 869 rupees. So that's it about the camera. I'll show you how and what after the installation is done. Stay tuned. This is the basic power supply setup. The main wire is going from the bulb socket and I have a power plug there. From there the camera's input wire is going, and the green LED that you can see there is the Ethernet port. That port has a power supply green light which indicates the camera is turned on. In the app you also have an option to shift your recording to HD mode, but I consider standard because it saves me a ton of space on my card. The other option is the microphone, through which we can talk to someone who is there near the camera. Like if there is a delivery person, you can turn on the app, talk to the person on the other end near the camera and interact two-way. Like you can talk to them and they can reply back to you also. On the top left, you can see the camera is online, the car parking is online. Once you enter this, Now let's select light control and see there is infrared option. In the infrared option, it is all night mode and the recording is in black and white color. You can see the infrared bulb there, the red color small LEDs, and it got turned off just because of my camera's flash. I'll record the same thing without the flash now. Once I turned off the flash, the infrared lights automatically got turned on. Those are red LEDs. That is the reason you can see the night mode, infrared mode of the video recorder. Now I'm selecting full color option. You can see the record changed to color and the LED lights on the camera got turned on. In this mode, LED lights are always on during the night time. I'll quickly show you how the LED lights work and how they look. This is how they look, and you can see those 4 LED lights are exactly where the infrared bulbs are also placed. Now there's a third option which is called the intelligent mode in the light control. In this option, the camera is always in infrared option where the footage is in black and white and the IR sensors are on. You can see the red color LEDs. But once I enter into the frame, the camera detects motion and the LED lights turn on. That is how the intelligent mode works. You can see the LEDs are very bright, and anyone walks into the frame of the camera, the LED lights turn on, and once I move out of the frame, exactly 30 seconds, the LED lights get turned off and it moves back to the infrared mode. That is how the intelligent mode works. Whenever your camera detects motion in the video, that is when there is a blue color highlight on the timeline whenever you play back your older videos. This is a sample of the video where it rained a day after the camera was installed, and I cropped up the video for a better view, and the audio you can listen in the background is from the camera. And finally, this is me cleaning the car. This is my daily routine. Whenever I remove the car, I clean it with the duster. This is a very good duster for dry dust. Do check out my pinned comment for all the product links. That's it for this one, guys. Until next time.